Hey guys, it's Ryo. Guys, eto quick lang. Have you seen this update sa Alibaba ngayong June 2025? Kasi grabe, ang ganda ng benefits na makukuha natin dito as business owners. Alam nyo ba na pwede kayong magkaroon ng payment arrangements with your suppliers? Kung kagaya ninyo ako na talagang laging bumibili ng raw mats dito, ang laking tulong nito guys. So ano nga ba tong update na to at ano nga ba ang payment arrangement na sinasabi ko sa inyo? So ito yung available sa mga suppliers natin. You just have to ask them, mag-chat lang kayo, kausapin ninyo sila. Yung payment arrangement is more of yung setup ng payments ninyo with them. What I do is binabayaran ko yung half ng aking payments before they even start with the production ng mga materials na kailangan ko. Once the materials are ready at pwede na ito for delivery to my address, then binabayaran ko na yung other half. Malaking tulong para sa akin yung ganitong klaseng payment arrangement dahil nagkakaroon ako ng leverage on how I will use my finances. Para hindi kayo ma-scam at lahat ng mga transactions niyo ay legit, do not go outside the Alibaba app at huwag kayong magbabayad outside the trade assurance link na ipapadala ng inyong supplier. So guys, ito napakalaking updates para sa atin as business owners. Napakalaking tulong nito in my opinion. If you like contents like this, I hope you consider following my channel. And for more videos and exciting updates with Alibaba, you can always subscribe to my channel. Maraming salamat. I'll see you sa susunod na clip. Bye-bye.